right as a Kushite.
I agree.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Can I dispose of? If I did
They
that,
can't.
there's some people here
That's
that's
my coast.
Can I speak? Can I speak? Can I speak? Can I speak?
Say that again.
That's what I thought.
Say that again for me.
Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. The Kush lineage. Listen, the Kush lineage. The Kush. No,
I'm listening to
the
you.
Kush lineage. Yeah, the Kush lineage has forever been from that region.
That region.
So the east
the
of
south.
Africa. Forever.
I'm not talking about East. We're talking about South Somalia.
We're talking. Hold on, bro. Can you just 1 minute?
Let him talk.
Somali is difficult. Like.
I'm trying to know. I don't know.
The tribe of Kush have always come from the Horn of Africa.
Yeah.
Always. Unless no one in history has ever claimed that Kush have been to anywhere else. Horn of Africa is where the Kush have always resided. Now, from the Kush you get the Somali tribe. The Somali tribe has always resided in the east of Africa. Always. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah?
I'm about to finish. Now, with that said, it is a fact that the Bantus have come from Tanzania. It is a fact.
How long have they been there?
It don't matter. They came from Tanzania.
200 years.
Let me finish. And it is a fact that the Barwanis are a mix of Somalis and Asians who have also come to the land.
Some of them was
You understand what I'm saying to you? You understand? Bruv.
They're a
Anyway,
mixed group, but that's not true.
a mix of what?
They're a mix between a lot of things.
Okay, what? Go ahead. What?
Persian, Arab.
Where's Persian Arab from? Are they from Africa? Are they from East Africa?
No.
So they have migrated here, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that what I said?
No,
Yeah,
you said
but-
they came from India.
No, I said Asia. What? Persia's not in Asia?
Never mind.
So I was right.
I know, my point was basically.
No, hold on.
Come on, man. That's so long, man. I don't want to chat no more, man.
So fact of the matter remains, the Bantus have migrated and the Asians have migrated. Therefore, they don't have the same stake.
Barwanis come
They
from
don't have.
Somalis as
Let me
well.
finish. They don't have the
What, East
same
Africa?
stake in East Africa as I do.
Okay.
Barwanis are from Sweden.
Okay, I want to speak. Listen. I want to speak here. My point here, my whole point was basically. Can you not be quiet, man? I want to speak. Yeah, basically, my point was basically Somalia. You know how they say Somalis one language in that? I'm saying to you, Somalis need to recognize the Barwani language, yeah? The people that speak Chimini, they're part of Barawe, and what's it called? They need to recognize them because it's not. They're only not foreign. This guy said all of them are from. It's a bit blinding me though. So my point was basically they're not all from basically where he claimed to be Arabs or mix of. Some of them origin that's their land. They've been there. Like even Ali Barwani. Some tribes, not all tribes. All Barwanis are the same tribe. There's Ashraf. There's so many other ones. Some of them have different. Some of them have been there, yeah, since the Ajuran Empire. Some of them have been there for like 500-600 years, yeah. And they basically, the Somalis are known to be living in the north, yeah, and they moved on. Historically, Somalis, there was already, the Barawe and Kismayo and them land, there was already people that was living there, basically. Well, it would be the Kenyan people that were living, the Somali people. The Somalis, yeah, at the time of Ajuran, they took over that side, to be honest, yeah. There was already people that was residing there, to be honest. I know the Bantu is the recent one, but some of the Barwani people, they were originally living there, to be honest. From when Somalis from the north, yeah, came down. Somalis originally don't come from the north, yeah, or they were located in Djibouti or whatever, north, yeah. They moved down. That's why all the Darod, Isakai, all the burials there, most of the Somali tribes there, where their forefathers passed away, is normally in the north. You get? From according to my thing, from where Darod, the body is buried, where Ishaq body is buried. I don't know where Hawi is buried here, but it's around north. No, I want to.
What is he saying now?
I'm saying Somalia should give them their rights, to be honest. You get?
Rights for what?
Rights for what? They've
Their rights for
migrated to the
recognition
land.
Bro,
You- why you wanna
some
ignore
of them
that?
has been. You know the land here in Mogadishu and that
Why
part
do you
there.
want to ignore
There's
the
already people that were
migrating?
living there.
Why they migrated here?
You know those people that
They
was already there
migrated.
before the Somalis and the Hawis and the Hawaiian moved there.
Hold on,
Other
hold on.
people were living there historically. From what I read up in it.
You know.
Lama garan belakita kucho. They didn't disappear.
Hold on 1 second.
We took over the lands.
Hold on 1 second.
Whatever. We took over them lands. We even pushed. We're killing border. We took over them lands. Just like how we took over some parts of Ethiopia where the Oromos. We took over some parts of it. All I'm saying, yeah, my point basically is Somalis, you know how they say one
But who are
ethnicity?
Barwani? They're
Somalis are
mixed.
not one, you know how they say Somalis, one
How can they
ethnicity,
be
one language?
indigenous there?
It's not. It's not one ethnicity. Do you get?
So what's
That's
the
my
argument
point.
then? But I'm an indigenous.
If you're Barwani and you're from
Me.
Somalia, and you only hit one ethnicity, one.
No, we
one
are.
language.
Somalis are indigenous
What he's
there.
trying to say is they are indigenous.
Yeah, but I'm saying to you,
but
they're still part of the
mixed
country.
as well. He agrees that they're mixed, but they're
Yeah, but it
half
doesn't make sense.
Somali
If he said
and half
UK,
whatever it is.
Well, guess what? The half of the Somali part is the half we recognize. Hence they're given. Hence why they're given half.
Yeah.
So that's why they're 0.5.
That's why they're 0.5. That's why they're not.
not.
But politically speaking, fam, yeah, this is the land of our future children, bro. You can't tell me that it's the same stake. They migrated. How can they have the same stake as you and I? How?
They are. They
Yeah?
speak our language.
Yeah.
They have our deen.
Yeah.
They have our dhaqan.
What they
So
hence?
سمعيه مركب.
Wallah ogolade.
Okay.
Hence why they're given the 0.5 status.
So are you trying to say that they have no rights for language, like having their Barani language being recognized?
Having their Barwani language being recognized.
Yeah.
Somalia is based on ethno-nationalism, not civic nationalism. So therefore, the only thing that Somalia recognizes is anything related to Somali. Period.
I agree.
We're not gonna recognize anyone else. Bruv, anagia waqti skula. And you wanna invite other people?
The people are already there
Bruv,
for 500
anagia
years.
Estegalo, fam.
Listen.
What are you talking
You have to
about,
accept
bro?
they lived there 500, 600 years.
Bruv, they
But what do you want?
Bruv,
Arto,
they
do
can
you
live
mean?
here. Let me explain
Get
this to
me
you,
any
Khalid.
book here, any
They
historical
can
book
live
here.
there.
I'm saying
Listen,
Mogadishu,
they
yeah,
can
well,
live
that's
there.
football,
They
whoever
have
that's
rights
there
there. Listen, they can live there. They have rights there.
conquer.
They have rights there, and they will be given the remaining half percentage once they are completely Somalized. Once they are completely Somalized, then they can have this. Then, as in once they give up, once they give up any link or any loyalty to anywhere outside of Somalia, then they can be given that full percentage. But as long as they have links outside and loyalties outside, it's not the same as you and I.
links and loyalties you talk
People's lived there for
Huh?
thousands
What
of
kind of links and loyalties they have now?
They do. Oman, Kenya, they constantly talk about.
I had the same mentality, to be honest. You see me, I had the same mentality. I was Somali, but then I done my research, and according to it, when we have an empire, we expand, and there was already people that were living there. I thought it was only us that moved down there, and it was Somali.
politics, man. I'm
But
looking after my
Kismayo, them
interests.
side, the Jubaland, wherever, we took over. We even probably pushed them back all the way to where the Kenyans are, some tribes there down there. That's how you have some Kush, yeah? You have some Kush in Kenya. You have even some Kush people that live in Tanzania, to be honest. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the Somali
people-
Bantus. I prefer them to Hawiyas anyway.
I
I'll tell
say,
you right
basically,
now.
I agree.
I got to admit, one thing I love is how the people of the north constantly talk about what should be done in the south.
God bless you, God bless you.
Because you like...
Bro.
Yeah,
No, but no, look how passionate he is, though. Look how passionate
Why
they
can I
are.
not be passionate?
Look how passionate they are, though.
What do you mean?
Why